How should I use BioBoost? Shake the bottle well before each use. Look at the recommended dose. BioBoost is used in generative periods 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this case we have a 5-litre container, so we add 10 milliliters of BioBoost. Take the cap off and squeeze until you have filled the reservoir with the recommended dose. Keep the bottle's measuring reservoir on the top side while pouring in. Be sure that the water is at room temperature between 18 and 22 degrees Celsius. Stir well with a plastic stick. Now the nutrient solution is ready for watering the plants. In our sample, we are watering a chili plant in an 11-litre pot. For 11-litre pots, you can give a maximum of 1.1 litres at each watering. So in this example, we gave it half a litre. You'll find further information on how to grow your plants in our leaflets, growth schedules, and on our website.